Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to stop vidIQ emails. How to do this? Let's start. Now search any email that you received from vidIQ. You can see here this email we received from vidIQ. Now select any email. Open this email. You will find here unsubscribe option on the bottom section, or you will find here added your email preferences. Click on it. Now you will be redirected to login page. Now log in here with the specific email that received email from vidIQ. Login with email. After login, go back to email. Don't click on edit your email preferences. After login, you will find this option. Now you can uncheck this option one by one and click on save button. This simple and easy step that you can follow to stop emails from vidIQ. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you in another video. Goodbye.